Hi all, Neci LoveHarmon here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to oil the Brother LX2375 series sewing machine. So some of the items that you will need include a Phillips head screwdriver in order to take off the back, a great synthetic sewing machine oil. I'm using Liberty synthetic 100% synthetic lubricant oil, as well as a paper towel just in case you have a few oil spills. So the first thing you're going to do is turn your machine. So what you're going to do is take your screwdriver and go lefty loosey and just turn it a bit. You don't have to turn it a lot until unless it's super tight, but it should loosen up enough to take off the little door hinge. So this is where you will be oiling. You will be oiling here at this black screw, here at this circular piece, here, as well as here and here. Okay, so that's where we're going to oil, and it states that you're supposed to put 2 to 3 drops of oil once a week when you're doing this, but I don't oil my machine that much. Actually, I've had this machine for years and I've never oiled it, but today is its lucky day. Okay, so 2 drops here, 1, 2, 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 and 2 drops here, 1, 2. All right. Last thing is we have to oil the bottom or the bobbin part. So I'm going to take my case off here and open this part. Okay, I'm going to put a drop of oil here. Well, 2 drops of oil there. So we'll do 1, 2. Now, after we've oiled the machine, so what I'm gonna do is back up, and a direction state as follows. You're supposed to take the thread off. So I'm gonna take the thread off, as well as I'm gonna take the bobbin out. I'm just gonna take the entire bobbin case out. You're supposed to cut the machine on, and I'm going to sew as fast as possible for, I don't know, I guess like a minute or so. All right, so this is how you oil the machine. So now I'll put everything back together. So, okay. We'll put the extension box back on. And make sure that this part attaches to my screw through the back there, which you can see. And take the screwdriver and righty-tighty. All right, got that thing on. That is how you oil the Brother LX2375 series sewing machine. So like our video, subscribe to our page, let us know how we're doing, give us video ideas, connect with us on social media, and thank you and happy sewing.